In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Faire to your Shopify store. This integration can be a fantastic way to enhance your store's functionality and streamline your operations, leveraging the unique offerings of Faire to elevate your e-commerce game. Let's break down the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details you need to make this connection smooth and straightforward. First, start by navigating to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll have access to a variety of options, and among them, you'll find the Apps section. This area is where you can manage and discover applications that integrate seamlessly with your store, helping you create a more robust online shopping experience for your customers. Once you click on Apps, use the search function to look for Faire. Typing in Faire will bring up the app you need for this integration. Click on the app icon to be directed to its application page. This page contains all the necessary information about the app, including features, benefits, and reviews, which can be helpful if you're unfamiliar with the Faire platform and want to know how it can benefit your business. The next step is to click on Install to initiate the process. Installing apps on Shopify is usually quick and straightforward, but keeping your store login credentials handy is a good idea, as you might need to verify your account during this process. With the installation complete, it's time to follow Faire's setup process. This might involve granting permissions, configuring specific settings, or connecting your Faire and Shopify accounts for seamless data integration. Take your time here, as thorough setup will ensure everything runs smoothly. Every business is different, and ensuring the correct configuration is key to leveraging the full potential of the app. If there are any specific integrations or customizations you need, make sure you explore these options during setup. And there you have it. With these steps, your Shopify store should now be successfully integrated with Faire. This connection opens up new capabilities and efficiencies, ensuring your e-commerce operations run more smoothly and effectively. Remember, exploring the app's features and settings further ensures you're getting the most out of your new tool. Whether it's managing inventory, optimizing product listings, or enhancing order processing, the right configuration can make all the difference. Enjoy the new possibilities this integration brings to your store. And as always, keep experimenting and adapting to find what works best for your unique business needs. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out our other videos to keep your e-commerce store at the top of its game. See you next time.